Okay, we're going to continue on with looking at problem solving and decision making. So a little bit earlier I said, okay, so now you've discovered what the productivity issue is. You want to move it from current practice into best practice, but you also need to take that problem a little bit deeper. Okay, so there's a couple of ways of being able to do that. One is to brainstorm. Why is this problem happening? Get people around a table. Everyone has a different point of view. You put those points of view together, you distill it, and you're going to start to find that there are some commonalities and a way forward. Brainstorming is a fantastic way of being able to get to the root of the problems and being able to find solutions going forward. There are other ways as well. And so that's really what you're going to be doing next. So if you go to your workbook, okay, so we go to our planning and productivity workbook. Well, let me just turn it the right way around, counterclockwise. Okay, so here we go. I want you to read problem solving and decision making. So it's going to teach you a whole bunch of things, and it's quite a ingewikkeld, quite a complex little section, but just read it, absorb as much as you possibly can. Then what I want you to do is to realize that these are the steps. You've got to understand the problem. Okay, so understand why things are happening in the way that they are. Then you've got to analyze it. So again, you can use brainstorming, you can use a flow diagram, you can use the 5 whys, and you can use fishbone. And you're going to be introduced to those different techniques in that section that you're just about to read. Then choose a solution. So sometimes there's not a perfect solution, just try a solution and see where it gets you. So many times we decipher and analyze and pull apart the problems and we actually don't do anything about it. So find a solution, even if it's not the perfect solution, at least do something, see if it works. Then you're going to draw up a plan to implement your idea. Okay, so I want you to read that section. That's going to be your next task. Once you've read it, we're going to come back and then we're going to push through the portfolio of evidence. And that's hopefully going to unlock what you've just learned. Okay, so read that through and then I'll join you on the next video.